Hey guys, welcome to the channel, Taking the Bathroom. The bathroom is the only place where you can play with your gadgets in peace. If you want to support the channel, go ahead and check out my ebook, www.theman7onfire.com. We also have a PayPal donation link in the description of this video. Alright guys, right to it. This will not be a long video. I just want to come to you guys and say, don't use design mod. I know a lot of you guys out there, you want to go ahead and you want to get the next best thing and you want to get it free. Hey guys, I've been guilty of it. I don't like ads and everything, so sometimes I go into people file stores and I get APKs that is modded without the ads. The reason why I'm telling you not to do it is because TVZION TV done something a little different here. What they done here was that they upgraded you. In other words, instead of getting donations, they give you the opportunity to upgrade yourself, or you can join TVZION Club. Come right here. And by the way guys, this is not a paid video, this is not a sponsored video. I'm just a firm believer that if you like something, then help the developer out. Again, I've been guilty of it in the past, but they're giving you something in return for your money. If you have real Blerd, it just takes your experience to a whole nother level. Now you come right here and say, why join the TVZION Club? Again, it's 100% free ads, but here's the thing that got me. If you have real Blerd, you can get 10 to 15 gigabytes plus movies. I mean, that's like 4K, some of them, guys. When you have that real Blerd account and when you couple it with this TVZION TV, you just upping your game right here. And also you can see that they give you advanced metadata, so you can go ahead and you can see which links you have, and also they improve on their autoplay, providing the best links available. Now, don't be that guy that say,
I don't care what you say, Tech. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get it for free anyway.
Man, do what you want. You're grown. Only thing I'm saying, if you like the APK, then support the developers. Look at how many updates TVZION has given to us. Look how far in the short amount of time this app has come along. I want to donate. I want to reward them for their hard work, and it's easy. And look, 5 devices for 4 months, $6. Now what I did, I went ahead and I got the 12 months for $15. That's basically like $1.25 a month. Don't be that guy or that gal that no matter what I say, you're gonna go ahead and get the mod anyway. Let me show you right quick exactly what you're getting. Alright, so I have TVZION TV, or TVZION. Go ahead and open it. I have updated to the latest version. Now if you want to go ahead and join the TVZION TV Premium Club, it's easy. Once you upgrade it and update, you can come right here to settings, and you get to settings when you see those 3 little lines right here. Click right there guys, come down to TVZION Club. Oop, and you can go right there and join the club right there. Open up your browser, go ahead. I already showed you guys the link. What's going to happen when you pay? I pay with PayPal. When you pay, they're going to send you a code, and what you want to do is you want to come over here, back to the 3 lines, go to settings. Now your payment went through, and you go right here to TVZION Club, and bang, you good. You just put in your password and everything from right here. You can see I'm already signed up. You can see that my trial ends December the 1st 2019. It's simple as that. Now this is how it's gonna look. I have my real Blerd paired up. Let me go to Rampage and just show you guys how many links I'm able to get, and watch the amount of data that I would be receiving because I am a part of the TVZION Club. The autoplay, I have mine disabled, but look at all of those links you get. Look at all of those links. And look, 7 gigs. Now usually with real Blerd, you might get like 1.2 gigs, 2 gigs, maybe 4 gigs. But look at this data. Look at all of this data you get, man. When you start getting up to like 7 gigs, that's a lot of data. And you can see it's giving me my pinging time and everything. Why you want to know your pinging time? Is the amount of time it's taking you to reach that server. So it's saying signal out to that server and it pings it back to you. Of course, I believe the lower the number, the faster the connection. I'll go ahead and click on this, press play. Of course I can't play any content guys because of copyright issues, but look at that, boom, it loads up and it plays wonderfully. So go ahead, take advantage of the TVZION Club. It's very cheap, it's very affordable. Support your developers. Again, this is not a paid review, and again, they're not sponsoring the channel. I just came across a couple videos on YouTube and it rubbed me the wrong way, and I like this app. You do what you want. Like I said, you're grown. However, whenever you have a developer or developers working this hard and bringing you great content, and if you use it regularly, support that if you want them to be around. Here's your boy taking the bathroom. This has been my rant, PSA, or whatever you want to call it for the week. I seen it. I made a video. You guys know how I do. That's why you love me. Until next time, peace. Don't forget to subscribe. Man, up your game. It's cheap. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.